How to fix temporary block on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the temporarily blocked on Messenger issue. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, if you are temporarily blocked on Messenger, then you won't be able to send messages to anyone. Basically, Messenger just stops working for your account. But don't worry, there is a way to fix it even though you can't use Messenger directly. So here, since the Messenger and Facebook are connected, simply open the Facebook app. And now here, make sure that you are logged in with the same account that you are logged in Messenger. And here, once inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Help and Support. And once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Report a Problem. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on Report Problem. And after that, on the new page, you just have to tap on Include. And after that, you just have to describe about your issue, like my messenger is temporarily blocked for no reason, so please help me to unblock it. And here, once you're done taking the messenger, you can just send the report. And here, once you send them, the report will go straight to the Facebook support team. So here, it can take up to 24 hours for them to review and resolve the issue. So be patient and check back after a day to see if Messenger is working again. And that's it. That's how you can fix temporarily blocked problem on Messenger. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.